Google is always looking for ways to help publishers simplify how ad space is sold to buyers. With most publishers regularly working between DoubleClick for Publishers and DoubleClick Ad Exchange, moving forward, there will no longer be a need to maintain separate inventory. Inventory options between these two products will become unified, allowing seamless transactions across sales channels and platform types. DFP ad units will become the primary method of inventory segmentation, which means that the use of Ad Exchange UI tags in Ad Exchange line items in DoubleClick for Publishers will soon be phased out. Now, it's important to note that this change does not apply to Ad Exchange tags booked in third-party ad servers or Ad Exchange tags implemented directly on a website page. If this represents your inventory, no changes are required for you at this time. Using DFP ad units will concentrate inventory management efforts to a single place, which can be reused throughout the entire product for targeting and reporting, regardless of sales channel and deal type. And by simplifying the inventory workflow, publishers will be able to spend more time on the things that matter, like surfacing opportunities to help make smarter decisions about monetizing inventory. What does this mean for your current setup? If your DFP network currently utilizes Ad Exchange UI tags in your Ad Exchange line items, you'll need to make some adjustments. In order for dynamic allocation to continue working as it does today, relevant Ad Exchange rules and deals will need to be updated so they begin to target DFP inventory, like DFP ad units instead of Ad Exchange UI tags. In addition, if you want to continue reporting on dynamic allocation impressions, updates will need to be made to any saved Ad Exchange queries that use the tags dimension or filter so they begin to use DFP ad units, DFP placements, or channels instead. We understand that the process to update rules and deals might take significant time and consideration. To help aid the process, we have several suggestions in the DFP Help Center. For most publishers, the process will look something like this. First, you can run Ad Exchange system queries to identify where tags from the Ad Exchange UI are being trafficked. To do so, navigate to the Reports tab in your DFP account, and from the left, select System Queries under the Queries subtab. Here you'll find a number of queries that include DFP ad requests using Ad Exchange tags in the title. From here, we suggest you select the relevant query and then populate a report. Now, it's important to understand that these queries won't display the exact rules that will need changing, since only rules and deals targeting tags will be impacted. However, we recommend running these queries to help monitor dynamics and traffic of your Ad Exchange tags used in DFP. Next, additional updates will need to be made in your Ad Exchange account. We suggest you update targeting in deals first, specifically those that have transacted the most in the past 7 days. All new deals should target DFP ad units or DFP placements, and any existing deals should no longer target Ad Exchange UI tags. If a deal is planned to end soon, it's okay to forego making any updates. Now let's talk about your Ad Exchange rules. For affected rules, we suggest that you create new rules that target DFP inventory to replace your existing rules that target Ad Exchange UI tags. Prefix these new rules with DFP- followed by the original rule name. Alternatively, at this time, you might consider simplifying your rules using DFP targeting. Regardless of your choice, be sure to give these new rules a higher priority than the existing rules. Doing so will allow the old existing rules to capture remaining traffic in case it's not fully caught by the new rules. After the new rules have been in place for a day or two, run the system query titled DFP ad requests using Ad Exchange tags: pricing rules to ensure that traffic with Ad Exchange UI tags are now matching the new rules and not the old rules. Once you've confirmed that no traffic is being served to the old rules and that these tags are not being used in third-party ad servers or for direct traffic, they can be deleted. Please note, Ad Exchange UI tags might also be targeted in other rule types, like those for blocking or ad styles. Please be sure to update those additional rules as well. Alright, so you might be wondering, what happens if no changes to your account are made and Ad Exchange UI tags continue to be used? Soon, Ad Exchange UI tags will no longer be included in your DFP ad requests. If no action is taken, any rule type or deal that targets an Ad Exchange UI tag in a DFP line item will no longer be matched with ad requests from DFP. Monetization will continue, but will do so via other rules and deals, as Ad Exchange tags associated with DFP line items will no longer be sent. Finally, after traffic from DFP to Ad Exchange no longer includes Ad Exchange UI tags, the remaining Ad Exchange UI tags will be converted to DFP ad units. This conversion will have no impact on Ad Exchange UI tags that are implemented directly on website pages or used on third-party exchanges. They will continue to serve as planned. In addition to updates to rules and deals in your account, it's important to note that the deprecation of Ad Exchange UI tags in DFP will make trafficking Ad Exchange line items easier. Ad Exchange line items in DFP no longer require an Ad Exchange tag in the snippet. This means that when you create an Ad Exchange line item in a DFP order, you don't need to include an Ad Exchange code snippet. Instead, we suggest you utilize the Automatically Generate Creatives option in your DFP account. And this brings us to the end of our tutorial. For more training information on DoubleClick for Publishers and DoubleClick Ad Exchange, please refer to Publisher University at g.co/publisheru, and for even more help and information, check out the Help Center. Thanks for watching.